20. How to multiply the whole number 27 by the fraction 1 half? Convert this whole number into fraction considering 1 as a denominator. Now multiply this fraction by this fraction, multiply top number together and bottom number together. 2. Now divide 27 by this 2. This is a improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator, so you need to convert this improper fraction to mixed number. 2 goes into 2, 1 time 2, 2, subtract 0, bring down this 7. 2 goes into 7, how many times? 3 times, 3 times 2, 6, subtract 1. So this will be our whole number part, this will be our numerator, this will be our denominator. So 13 and a half is the answer.